Your 20s are a decade of firsts. Your first job, your first car, maybe even your first apartment. It's exciting, right? But here's a question. What's protecting all the progress you're making? The hard truth is, most young adults make critical insurance mistakes without realizing the long-term impact. And when those mistakes catch up, they can derail your financial goals. Today, we're covering the 5 biggest insurance mistakes people make in their 20s. These are the traps that could cost you thousands, or even your financial security. Stick around, because mistake number 5 might shock you. It's one even financially savvy people often overlook. Quick pattern. Interrupt. Clip of someone dramatically flipping through a bill, exclaiming, "Wait, what?" Mistake number 1. Thinking you don't need insurance. This one's so common, it's almost a rite of passage in your 20s. You're young, healthy, and full of confidence. Insurance probably feels like an unnecessary expense, right? Wrong. Here's the reality. Accidents and unexpected events don't wait for you to feel ready. A single hospital visit could cost you thousands of dollars. And without health insurance, that entire bill is coming out of your pocket. Think of insurance as your safety net. You hope you never need it, but when life throws you a curveball, you'll be glad it's there. And speaking of curveballs, mistake number 2 is something most people don't realize until it's too late. Let me paint a picture. You've just bought car insurance. You went with the cheapest plan thinking, "I'll probably never use it anyway." Then, bam, an accident happens. Suddenly, you're facing repair bills, medical costs, and liability claims. But your policy only covers the bare minimum. Sound familiar? That's mistake number 2, settling for the minimum coverage. The lowest priced plan might seem like a smart way to save money, but it's actually a gamble. And when the odds are against you, that gamble can cost a fortune. Here's the fix. Choose coverage that truly protects you, not just your budget. Remember, spending a little more now can save you a lot later. Mistake number 3 is a tough one. Ignoring life insurance. Now, you're probably thinking, why would I need life insurance? I'm in my 20s. I'm healthy. But let's talk about the future. Life insurance premiums are significantly lower when you're young and healthy. Locking in a policy now ensures your rates stay affordable as you age. And if you have student loans with a cosigner, life insurance protects them from taking on that burden if the unthinkable happens. Don't wait until life forces your hand, because by then, it might be too expensive, or worse, unavailable. But even the best policies can hurt your wallet if you're making mistake number 4. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you compared prices for a new phone or a pair of sneakers? Probably pretty recently, right? So why don't most people shop around for insurance? That's mistake number 4, failing to shop around. Insurance companies don't all price their policies the same way. 2 companies could offer identical coverage at vastly different prices. By sticking with the first quote you get, you could be leaving hundreds, maybe even thousands on the table every year. The fix is simple. Compare policies before committing. Take advantage of online tools and independent agents to make sure you're getting the best value for your money. And finally, mistake number 5, skipping the fine print. Let me tell you, the fine print in your policy isn't just there to confuse you, it's there to protect the insurance company. Hidden in those tiny words are exclusions, waiting periods, and limitations that could leave you high and dry when you need coverage the most. For example, does your renter's insurance cover floods? Does your health insurance exclude certain treatments? If you don't know, you might be in for an expensive surprise. Here's the rule. Always read your policy carefully. If something doesn't make sense, ask questions. Knowledge isn't just power, it's protection. So, there you have it. The 5 insurance mistakes to avoid in your 20s. Each of these mistakes might seem small now, but they have the power to derail your financial goals and the life you're working so hard to build. The good news? Avoiding them isn't hard. Be proactive, stay informed, and remember, insurance isn't just about covering risks. It's about securing your future. Now that you've learned how to avoid these insurance mistakes, you're already one step closer to financial freedom. But there's one more tool you need in your arsenal: the power of compounding. Click on the video that's on your screen right now to discover how compounding can transform your savings into wealth over time. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you. And remember to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others protect their financial futures.